How to make an illuminated capital letter. Step 1. Write a big letter on a piece of paper. You can choose the first letter of your name or any letter that you like. Step 2. Trace around the outside and inside of your letter. Step 3. Erase the middle part of your letter. This is the part that you drew when you first put your letter on your paper. Step 4. Outline your letter with any color you choose. Step 5. Color in your letter however you like. Step 6. Decorate the rest of the page with fancy designs. When you're done, make sure you click a picture and submit your letter to your assignment so Ms. Carver can see your awesome artwork.